Good morning, guys. It is such a beautiful day today out in Seoul. It's just a little bit cloudy, but that's okay. I'm just gonna quickly do an outfit of the day. Let's start from the head and then go down. So the sunglasses that I have on are from Gentle Monster. This turtleneck, it is a cashmere turtleneck that I got like literally, I want to say like 10 years ago in Canada. This blazer right here is from Maj. I'm carrying my Birkin 30 with my two Labubu's. And then these black skinny jeans are like from, I think they're from, I want to say like H&M. These boots right here are from Staccato. And that's the outfit, guys. Good morning, guys. I am meeting up with my friends right now to do some shopping and to get food. So today is a full bar hopping, shopping, and food day. So let's get going.
Just stuck in the in-between. I didn't think I'd ever get this lonely. All these holes in my chest from the war inside. Baited by the hook and now I'm terrified to look at my story through somebody else's eyes. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between.
For lunch, we went to literally one of the best places for marinated crab, which is a must-eat in Korea in the autumn. There was a bit of a line on a Sunday afternoon around 1 p.m., but it was definitely worth the wait.
Hey, feels like I'm insane. I'm afraid of change. The pictures that I framed remind me when the skies are blue. Chapter 32, it's all just me and you. But the ceiling's falling through and all the screws are coming loose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. I got everything to lose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. Cause I've been chasing feelings, but I'm running from them too. I feel like crying, I feel like screaming, I feel like throwing up for no reason. I think I'm growing, I think I'm sinking. I take a hit while I'm going out swinging. It's not just inevitable. Wake up and I'm already home. I'm doing my best, but where I'm going next is anybody's guess. Time, tell me where it goes. No, nobody knows. Walking down the road just to walk away. They say you gotta learn from mistakes, but I've been pumping the brakes. Can I get a little breather here? Or just whatever it takes. It's getting harder to shake. It's like I'm running a race. So
I booked us a table at ZEST, which is ranked second in Asia's 50 best bars. I highly recommend the one I got, which was called No Coconut Here. It was really easy to drink, and I liked how they added a twist to it and added some sort of Korean alcohol.
We use Korean millet here. Millet food tastes like
doing my best, then I'm going next. It's anybody's guess. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. I got everything to lose. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do.
From the Gejong one, and with sweet pommes and comfrey, and this with the strawberry and cinnamon. The garnish name is the pork, which is the white.
Later on, we went to get bingsu before doing our Olive Young run. We then headed into Gentle Monster. I was looking for a pair of glasses without any rims, but the style that I was looking for was already discontinued, so I tried on a whole bunch of other ones. Oh my god, look at these. Bedazzled. Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
it's very futuristic.
There's also a tambourines on the 4th floor, so we checked that out as well. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the packaging for tambourines? Yeah, this is long. Next, we went to this local perfume shop and I picked up a few items from there. You can get customized words on the perfume bottles, so it's super cute. We finished off the evening with some classic Korean comfort food and called it a night. Alright guys, I am finally back in the hotel and I just want to quickly show you guys everything I got today, because I know if I don't show you guys now, I will never do the actual haul. Even though I am so exhausted, I still want to show you guys everything. And I also made myself some Trader Joe's well-rested herbal tea, because I really want to have a good night's sleep. I haven't been really able to rest up that well. Just got one bag of goodies from Olive Young, so I'm gonna go through them really quickly. The first thing I got was this Arencia Royal Rose Hip Cleanser. This is like the mochi one. I actually got the mochi consistency one. I actually got the green one last time I was here in Korea, and I noticed that this gets used up really quickly, and I'm almost like halfway finished that jar, so I just got the pink one. If I didn't mention it just now, I think the green one is the most classic one for all skin types, and then the blue one is for hydration. There's like a sample of that in here. The pink one is supposed to be for something else, but I can't remember what it was. I'll probably like type it right here when I do the editing. The next two products are also Arencia products. This one is the blue one. It's the serum. It's the leave-on serum, so you're supposed to leave it on. Probably you can use it in the nighttime. This one is for soft and glossy skin with packed with vitamins. And then the pink one is for collagen, with niacinamide and peptide. Next, I just got some Anua. Honestly, I really hope I'm actually pronouncing these names correctly. Anua Brightening Pad. And then I also got some serum from this brand, Beauty of Joseon. I think that's how you're supposed to pronounce it. For my mom, because these are super moisturizing, super like oil based. She has really like like dry skin, so she needs something oilier, and I think this should be able to do the trick. It's the full size is 30 ml, and then it comes with like a tiny 10 ml one. Next I just got some hair conditioner. I heard really good things about this one. I think it's like a leave-in treatment, a protein treatment. Excited to try that. And then next I got some Rejuven Healer face masks. I think there's 5 of them in here, yeah. And then I just got some pumpkin tea. And then I also got a few of these liquid ones. Yeah, so I got 5 of them. I also got 2 of these blushes from Vanilla & Co. They're called Romantic Blush, but literally they're just like blush sticks. And I just got them in 2 shades. The first one is 07 Glimmer, and then the second one is 18 Chill Teddy. So the Chill Teddy is a little bit like darker, and I thought it would be perfect for like winter, whereas 07 is a very, very nice light pink color. And then I just got a Wake Make foundation brush. This is the spatula wide foundation brush. It looks pretty nice. So excited to try those. And then last but not least, I just got a few face masks, sheet masks. So I got the Round Lab Pine Calming Cica or Cica face mask. Oh, I only got 2 of them. They're for calming. These are the Meta Heal Collagen masks. I also got 2 of those. The Anua Peach Serum masks. Some more Round Lab. These are water gel for hydration, water gel masks. And then the Torridon Firming Gel Mask for wrinkle improving and deep firming. And that's everything I bought from Olive Young. And then I went to a perfume place called Grand Hand, and I just got a few items there. I got these packets where you can hang them up in your closet. I got these for my mom. The sales, she recommended Marine Orchid. And the notes for this is top notes, mandarin, pear, lemon. Middle notes, rose, lily of the valley, orchid. Base is musk, toffee, and patchouli. And then I also got Roland. Top notes are lemon, grapefruit, bergamot, mandarin, aquatic green. Middle notes, sunny, passion fruit, orange blossom, ylang ylang, white rose base, white musk. And last but not least, this is one of their signature scents. It's called Suzy Salmon. Top notes are lemon, blackcurrant, tangerine, cut grass. Middle notes are lily of the valley, jasmine, rose, freesia, peach, apricot, apple. Base notes, sandalwood, cedar, amber, and white musk. So they're actually quite complicated scents, I would say. And then I also got a diffuser from them. I got the diffuser in the Suzy Salmon scent. And then you can also customize some writing on here. So I had the word serendipity printed on there with a little heart because I really like the word serendipity. And then they come with the diffuser bottle, the actual scent, and then the sticks, diffuser sticks. Last but not least, I just got 2 perfumes. The first one I got was Coco K. I absolutely love the scent of this. I was debating between this one and this other one. I forgot the name, but they were super similar. And then the sales, she recommended this one. So this one is in a glass holder, while this one I got called Roland is in a plastic bottle. So this one is 100 ml and this one is 200 ml. And I just got my name engraved, Anna, and then on this one I have the date of today engraved. I want to tell you guys the notes for this one, Cocoa K, because it smells amazing, guys. Top notes, okay, this one is a little bit less complicated. Top notes, mango, nectarine, pear. Middle notes, raspberry, water lily, and lotus. Base notes, coconut, musk, and sandalwood. So it smells amazing. Let me spray some right now. So nice. And I asked the girl who was working there and she said it should last around 6 hours after you spray it. So yeah, guys, that is everything I got. I am going to drink my tea, take off my makeup, go take a shower, and wind down. I'll see you all tomorrow. Good night, everyone. I'm gonna quickly do a river view room tour because I switched to a river view, and the rooms are a little bit different. So this one actually has a bathtub, but I'm not a huge fan of this curtain. Here is the bathroom, pretty much the same. Toiletries are in here, and then we have like the hair dryer, the sink, and then here is the closet. So you got 2 robes at the back, and then your slippers. When we come in, there is the pantry area. So same gist with the other room, so I won't go into the details. The couch is a little bit bigger than the mountain view one. And then here is the view. Super pretty. I think that part is like the river. I'll show you guys tomorrow morning. Here is the bedside table. It's also a little bit larger. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so safe is in here. You got some drawers. And then the king size bed. And then on the other side, I think there's like a mobile charger in here, which is super nice. And then again, I love the decor. I love that. It's right there, super pretty. And then you have the TV over here. And then of course the mirror. And that's pretty much it, guys.